In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a product catalog in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. In that menu, click Product Catalog. This will take you to the area where you can view and manage the products in your Stripe account. On the Product Catalog page, click Create Product to begin adding a new item. You will then be taken to the Product Setup screen. In the Product Name field, enter the name of the product you want to create. Choose a clear and recognizable name so it is easy to identify later. After that, you can complete the optional product details. Add a description if you want to provide more information about the item. You can also upload a product image to help visually identify the product in your catalog. If the option is available in your account, you may also select a category for the product. These details are not always required, but they can help keep your catalog organized and easier to manage. Next, move down to the pricing section. Here, choose the pricing type that matches the product you are creating. If the product is sold as a single purchase, select one-off. If the product will be billed on an ongoing basis, select recurring. This is an important choice because it determines how Stripe will handle the charge. Once you have selected the pricing type, enter the price for the product. Then choose the correct currency from the available options. Make sure both the amount and the currency are correct before moving forward. If your product needs more pricing configuration, set those options now. The available settings may vary depending on whether you selected one-off or recurring pricing. Review each option carefully and apply only the settings that fit your product. When everything is filled in, take a moment to review the full product setup. Check the product name, description, image, category, pricing type, amount, and currency. Confirm that all details are accurate. If everything looks good, click Add Product. Stripe will save the product and add it to your catalog. After that, return to the Product Catalog page and verify that your new product appears in the list. This confirms that the product has been created successfully and is now available in your Stripe account. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.